Hello class, this is Mr. Lucero and we are going to start a new activity, Clear Languages, and this activity is on page 86. Page 86. When we talk about clear activity, we're going to focus on some subjects from school, like art, history, geography. In this case, we have languages. And the title is Languages of Ireland. Here we have a picture, but can you identify these phrases? Henry Street? Me as a teacher, Henry Street is okay, but on the top, no idea. Temple Bar, Grafton Street. So what does it mean? Easy. In England, in England, there are many places, so that in each one they speak a different language. It's like in Peru. Our mother tongue is Spanish, but also people speak Quechua or Aymara. That is easy to understand. In England, it's the same. We have English, but also in Ireland, they have their own language. Okay? So here says Henry Street, and also here says the same. Temple Bar, here says the same, or Grafton Street. Okay, let's see. Here I have a text. We're going to listen to the audio. Pay attention. Let's see.
Unit 5, Track 57, Activity 1, Languages of Ireland. In addition to English, another language is spoken in Ireland, Irish or Gaeilge. This is the country's first official language, and it is used by 500,000 people as their mother tongue. It is also one of the official languages of the European Union, and almost 2 million people around the world speak Gaeilge. Gaeilge is a Celtic language and is similar to Scottish Gaelic, Welsh, and Breton, which is spoken in the northwest of France. Its alphabet is similar to English, but without the letters J, K, Q, W, Y, and Z. In Ireland, there are Gaeilge language newspapers, radio stations, and TV channels. There are Gaeilge, which are schools in which all subjects are taught in Gaeilge, and regular school students have to study the language. Traffic signs and notices in stores appear both in English and Gaeilge. It is also one of the oldest languages in Western Europe.
Class, this has been our audio. So, what do you have to do? Easy. Number one, read and listen, answer the question. You listen to the activity. So, how is the alphabet Gaeilge different from an English alphabet? There is a difference. Do you know what's the difference? In the article said that this language is similar to English, but there are differences. In the case of the alphabet, it's similar to English, but without letters J, K, Q, Y, W, Y, and Z. Okay? Perfect. Now, number two, look at the Irish names and their pronunciations. Then write true or false for true or false. Irish name, phonetic pronunciation. No, for example, we can identify these names as Ciara, no, with letter X, sorry, with letter C. And here is the pronunciation, no? Siobhan, Shabwan, Patrick, Patrick, Naim, Naif. No. For example, those ones are for girls and this is for a boy. Now let's see. Here we have some sentences. The Irish alphabet is the same as the English alphabet. True or false? It's similar. It's not the same. No, we saw it here. It's similar. Okay, false. Some letters have accent. Example A. Yes. No, look at here. No, some. The letter have the same pronunciation as English. True or false? Some letters are silent. True or false? That is our activity for today. Now we're going to work on this in our classes so we can check it a little bit more. Also we have vocabulary in picture. This is on page 87. So class, get ready. Daily routines. Get up, take a shower, get dressed, start school, play the piano, finish school, do homework, have dinner, tidy your room, go to bed, or subject school like for example art and design, drama, English, geography, history, ICT, literature, math, music, PE, science, Spanish. And also we have the grammar guide about other frequency, no, word order, the questions, remember, conformability, affirmative, negative, and questions. Adverb of manners too. Okay, class, this is going to be like a review for you. So get ready because you're going to take an exam. Okay, your final exam from the unit. Okay, class, thank you so much. This is a video made by you because you are going to watch them. Thank you so much. See you in class.